Going to cook our lemon pappardelle. When you're making a pasta dish, whether it's going to be baked pasta like we're doing today, or a pasta that's going to be served with a nice sauce or just a drizzle of olive oil, you should think about getting flavored pastas. They really bring a lot to the dish. This is a fragrant lemon pepper pappardelle. It's made with real black pepper, cracked black pepper, and real lemon juice, and it smells delicious. I have some here. Pappardelle is about a ½ inch wide pasta. Normally you just toss it in the boiling water as is, but because this is going to be in a casserole, I'm going to break it up into 2-inch pieces. In a casserole, you don't want a lot of long noodles. You want short noodles. Often you'd use tubular noodles like a rigatoni or a penne. That's what I would use. Or of course, macaroni for classic macaroni and cheese. We'll do that another day. Just so you get a couple of pieces on your fork every time you take a bite. So we're going to break that up. And we're going to throw it in the pasta water, the heated, salted, boiling rather, salted pasta water. Right in here. You see the steam coming out of there. You want to get it all in at once so it cooks evenly. It's important in a baked dish that you don't overcook the pasta. And in my experience, you can't really go by what it says on the package because sometimes that's way too long. And for a cooked pasta, it would probably be way too long. Just give it a stir. Make sure it's all incorporated. And we're going to undercook this a little bit. This should take about, let me throw some more in, 6 minutes. And when we come back, we're going to grate our cheese. See you then.